and welcome to this new Pro.Radio tutorial. This video is about the update procedure for the Pro.Radio WordPress theme. You will learn how to update your theme and your plugins in the right way. Before starting an update procedure, we strongly recommend to back up your website. A backup can be done automatically, using cPanel and Softaculous. Manually, saving the files in database, or using some plugin. With cPanel is the easiest way. In your cPanel, access the Softaculous installer. Click the little box in the right top corner to see the list of active installations. Find the one that you are about to update, and then click the little yellow backup icon with the green arrow. You can, as well, add a little note about the backup. Once it's finished, in case of any failure during the update procedure, you can restore your website with a click. If you can't use this method, you can make a manual copy of your files in database. In the alternative, there are plugins like Updraft to allow a semi-automated backup and restore procedure. The important is to back up your website with regularity so that, whatever happens, you can easily restore a working version of your website. Keeping your website up to date is very important to ensure the security and optimal functionality of your website and data, so we recommend to keep it up to date, and not to skip too many versions, or it will be harder afterwards. So, let's imagine you received a notification about a new theme version, and you want to update your website. The first thing to do is to log in Pro.Radio client page, to verify the number of the latest available version. To know which version you currently have installed, go to your WordPress dashboard, then click Appearance Themes. Click on the thumbnail of the Pro.Radio theme, not the child theme, and you will see the version right here, next to the name of the theme. So, we can see there is a new version available. What we need to do is to download it, and update the theme. Once this step is done, you will see a notification, suggesting to update some plugins. First of all, let's download the new version, and let's put it on our desktop. Unzip it, and you will see a folder containing the documentation, the child theme and the main theme zip files. Let's now go back to your WordPress theme admin, Appearance and Themes. Here, click New, then Upload. Now, thanks to WordPress 5.5, you can just replace the older theme with the new version. So, choose File, and select Pro.Radio.zip, then click Upload. Once it finishes, you'll be prompted with a comparison between the current version and the new one. So, 1.2.5, 1.2.7. Let's click Replace Current with Uploaded. Theme updated successfully. So, the next thing you want to do now is to return to your themes page, and you'll be probably prompted with a notification asking to update some plugins. If you see this notification, you can click Begin Updating Plugins. Select every plugin, choose Update from the drop-down, and click Apply. Once the update is finished, you can return to the dashboard, and the last step is to verify the final result, to make sure that your website is correctly working. Congratulations! Your website is now up to date. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.